It's indeed an August gathering to celebrate National Sports Day. Today, August 29, we gather to celebrate National Sports Day, a day that honors the birth anniversary of a true legend, Major Dhyan Chand. His unparalleled skill and dedication in hockey not only brought glory to our nation but also instilled in us the values of discipline, perseverance and teamwork. Today we celebrate his legacy and the spirit of sports that he embodied to promote a culture of fitness, sportsmanship and Olympic values across the country. This year's powerful theme is Sports to Promote Peaceful and Inclusive Societies. The celebrations will be held from August 29 to August 31st, spanning 3 days, under the campaign Ek Ghanta Khel Ke Maidan Mein. Now I request all of you to take the National Sports Day pledge. To make myself physically fit, mentally strong, and emotionally balanced, I will encourage my family and friends to play and participate in sports and fitness activities every day. I will strive to imbibe the Olympic values of excellence, respect, and friendship in every sport I play. Jai Hind.
खेल के मैदान में why? To remind ourselves once again that in spite of our busy schedule of studies, in spite of our busy schedule at workplace, we will surely find such time out to keep ourselves fit, because that is the only mantra that will make our life enjoyable. We will enjoy life after getting all the degrees, after getting a good job. We will enjoy our life if we are only fit. Okay? So that is even 1 kilometer of walkathon and 1 kilometer of cycling. Countdown starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक ले खेल के मैदान में
1 घंटा खेल के मैदान में
1 खेल के मैदान में में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूसा राज भर ले यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे चक दे गिरिया
For the teachers, for the students, and for me, for everybody around, that we must find out some time, 1 ghanta every day, 1 hour. It's not difficult to take out 1 hour. Yeah, we will have study pressures, we'll have work pressures. Mr. Doval will have national pressures, international pressures, but at every age we must not forget that we have the right to be physically fit. So it should not be one day affair, we will remain physically fit, and that is why our Honorable Prime Minister has taken this initiative to celebrate Yoga Day and National Sports Day in this way, in a very different way, so that everybody understands that we have to remain fit to become a fit India. We individually have to become fit. Now 2 very quick questions on Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand, what is his name and why he is called Dhyan Chand? What is his original name? Major Dhyan Chand, what is his original name? Anyone? Teachers, students? His name is Major Dhyan Singh. It's not Dhyan Chand. Now how did he get this Upadhi Chand? Who gave him? Anyone? He carried this name to Olympics, to National Front, and it became his official name. Major Dhyan Chand, the Chand Upadhi was given by his friends in the British Army, and afterwards Indian Army. Why? Because he never got any time left in the morning or afternoon hours to practice hockey. He was a great hockey player, right? He never got any time to practice in the morning or afternoon hours. He only got time once his duty hours got over in the evening. And in the evening he used to practice for hours. So that is why evening is कि ये बंदा तो चांद के नीचे, सूरज के नीचे नहीं खेलता, चांद के नीचे खेलता है, moon man. So that is, so Major Dhyan Chand born where? Born where? Prayagraj. Please find out 1 hour time every day, morning or evening, it does not matter. You find out, even the teachers also enjoy our life. So to enjoy life, every day, like you eat, like you sleep, you have to spend 1 hour of time under the sky doing some form of physical exercise, right? All the best to all of us.